Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A90, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and tap on the power key right over here. This will bring up the boot options, and from here what you want to do is hold power off. Once you do, it will change from power off into safe mode, giving you a message that tap again to restart your phone. In safe mode, downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. And this mode is basically used to figure out if some app is causing you some problems or not. So sometimes your phone might be malfunctioning, and putting it into safe mode will give you an answer if it's caused by an app. If the problem still persists, that means that just the phone hardware itself might be broken rather than the some kind of malicious app. Let's just wait for it to reboot, and once it has, you can see there is a mark right here, safe mode, just to signify that we are right now in safe mode, so you always know. Give it a second, and there we go. As you can see, apps are disabled, so things like widgets don't actually load right now. And yeah, so that is how you would boot into it. And once you're done with this mode, if you want to leave it, simply tap on the power key once more, and this time around select restart. And once the device reboots, it will be then back in normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.